Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling anxious, insecure, overwhelmed, frustrated, angry, sad, lonely, tired, bored, restless, shameful, guilty, perhaps even joyful, know that you're not alone, and that a lot of those are just part of being human. Such immense suffering that we can go through as human beings. We're going to take some deep breaths together and see if we can come to the other side of suffering and feel more love, some peace, some joyfulness. Getting in a comfortable position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, aware of your space. Extending your spine so that you can be upright. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears. Relaxing your belly. Gently closing your eyes, bringing the attention inwards, witnessing and welcoming all that you feel, all of the pain, all of the anxieties about what's going to happen next, simply welcoming it. Relaxing your hands and feet, opening your chest, letting go of tension in the face, relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead, feeling your face relaxed. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go of past. Breathing in trust for the unfolding of life. Exhaling fears, uncertainties, anxieties, letting it go. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling self-hatred, letting go of shame, letting go of guilt. Taking a deep breath. And a deep breath out. Softening the belly. Dropping the shoulders away from the ears. I want you to visualize every cell in your body breathing in. And every cell in your body exhaling, letting go. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Letting go of thoughts, letting go of past, letting go of future, letting go of pain, letting go of suffering, just for a few moments. Opening your heart, opening your mind, feeling yourself blessed, just for a few moments. Letting go of fear just by being grateful for a few moments. If your mind has been wanting to drift, if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Allowing your mind to be totally free as you close the eyes, relax the belly, and look in. Witnessing and welcoming yourself as you are. Embracing the silence, embracing the quietness as you let go of thoughts and look in, witnessing and welcoming yourself as you are. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale, release. Full body, taking a breath in, holding the breath. Tense your body, squeeze down on your fist, squeeze down on your jaw, tense everything, tense. And exhale, relax. Relaxing your hands, relaxing the feet, relaxing the jaw, relaxing your belly, relaxing your mind, relaxing your anxiety. You can tell your anxiety, it's okay. It's okay to relax. Taking a breath in and a breath out. Becoming aware of your posture. Extending your spine so that you can be upright. Dropping your shoulders away from your ears. Feeling a smile in your belly. Feeling a smile in your chest. Feeling a smile in your mind. So you take a deep breath. And exhale out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhaling. Exhaling. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling pain, anxieties, letting it go. Feeling negativity, leave the mind, leave the body as you breathe in. And breathe out. Inhaling slowly and softly. And exhaling even slower, even softer. Letting go of what happened earlier, letting go of what happened days ago, years ago, letting go of future. Just being here and now, just for a few seconds. Be totally here. Your body, feeling rooted in your body, feeling rooted in this moment. So you take one more deep breath for now. And exhale, letting it all go. The color for today is tan. The number is 50. And the animal, are you ready for it? The animal for today is a grizzly bear. I thank you for joining me across time and space, sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of awareness on your path, to be aware of that which brings more pain to you, and to be smart enough, to be conscious enough to not fall into the same traps, to take a new route so that you can suffer less, so that we can have more love and joyfulness and peace. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.